Welcome to another episode of the Cybersecurity Glossary. This time, we're talking about the letter F, firewall. Although it is a common concept in any network infrastructure, its evolution in recent years has turned it into a much more powerful and complex tool. We will review what it is, how it works, and what options are available on the market. A firewall is a system for controlling network traffic. It can be hardware, software, or a combination of both, and it filters incoming and outgoing communications based on predefined rules. Its goal is to allow only authorized traffic and block everything else, helping to protect systems from unwanted access or external threats. The firewall analyzes network packets based on multiple criteria: source and destination IP address, ports, protocols, and even the state of the connection. Some advanced models also inspect the content of the traffic, enabling the application of more detailed policies. Depending on the type, they can operate at layers 3, 4, or even 7 of the OSI model. The most common firewalls include basic packet filtering, stateful inspection, application firewalls that analyze protocols like HTTP or DNS, and the so-called next-generation firewalls. These last ones offer additional features like application control, intrusion detection, or integration with threat intelligence services. In the market, there are many brands that offer firewall solutions tailored to different environments. Some of the best-known manufacturers are Fortinet, Palo Alto Networks, Cisco, Checkpoint, Sophos, and Mikrotik. Each offers different ranges depending on the size of the network, the desired level of security, and the integration needs with other systems. In addition to traffic filtering, many firewalls include additional functionalities. For example, content filtering to protect web browsing, intrusion detection and prevention systems, encrypted traffic analysis, granular application control, and DNS filtering. Another common use is their function as a VPN server, which allows secure remote connections to the corporate perimeter through encrypted tunnels. In professional environments, firewalls are combined with other solutions such as network segmentation, authentication systems, proxies, EDR solutions, or SIEM platforms. They are also fundamental in zero-trust environments, where every connection is continuously and dynamically controlled. Proper configuration is key to preventing breaches and unauthorized access. In summary, the firewall remains one of the pillars of network security. Its evolution has turned it into much more than just a filtering tool. Today, it is a comprehensive defense platform, adaptable to any environment and equipped with multiple security features. See you in the next glossary video.